Okay, Matt, now it's official. Worst place to be during the COVID-19 pandemic, ranked 53rd among 53 companies according to Bloomberg. How are markets going to react to this? I mean, we did see a bit of a pullback, but is there going to be more pain ahead, or will this just be brushed off as another bad news day?
Well, I don't see this article specifically as sort of a market moving event. Uh, clearly, our market has been hovering around just under 7,000 for I think about 2 weeks now. Uh, so I think markets are more optimistic than what some media outlets make it seem. I think people are looking forward to arrivals of more vaccines in the coming months. I think there's a lot of optimism going to the fourth quarter that this will be sort of the big vaccination quarter. Of course, if that doesn't play out, then we're going to expect a pullback even further. But I expect some strength going into the close of the year.
Matt, when we look at the chart, it does seem to be volatile here. But can you say that there was some resilience? You did mention that. I mean, how was the third quarter for you, considering we were in a lockdown in August, considering the vaccines that had come in? Did we perform better or worse than expected?
Well, I actually thought that we performed better than expected, just considering how much bad news has come out in the last several months. Like you said, we came out of a lockdown. Uh, I, I expected economic activity and mobility to increase a lot in the last month or so, but that wasn't the case. But even despite that, our markets have held strong, largely because of those market leaders that you mentioned earlier. So I think there is some optimism here because, like you said, a lot of our big, heavy hitters in the index are still doing quite poorly. So those names need to catch up with some of the high flyers, and once that spread narrows a bit, we're gonna see a move above 7,000.